Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got some friend mail, and this is a big package. This is from Johana from Unboxing&More, and she is my partner in crime when we do the Fab Fit Fun mystery bundle battles, which we'll have one coming up in January. So look for that. We skipped past the holidays a little bit, and we may cut back a little bit. We're not necessarily going to do them every month, just because it's my fault, because I can't afford to do them every month. So we're cutting back a little bit. So, but I did cut this open, and Smudge decided to come up and see. This is just stuffed, and let's see if I can get stuff out. So thank you so much, Johana. She's so sweet, y'all. She's so thoughtful, and she wraps things so nicely too. Let me put the bag over there. So this is very nicely wrapped in tissue. Let's see what this is. It's lightweight. Let's see what it is. Oh, she's got things, wow. She's got things like glued and stuff. Wow. Johana loves to wrap, and she's a great wrapper. She's great at wrapping everything so beautifully. Ooh, what is, oh, this is cool. This is a, the car thing. I don't know what, you know, you put that on your visor for Bath and Body Works. You know, you put the stuff in here. They're little trays that can fit in here. This opens. Let me see if I can get it. Well, I'll figure it out later, but I know, ow, I have some like this. It'll, oh, maybe this one's different. Okay, wrong. The one I have is old. It twists open. This one snaps open. So then you just lay the tray in there and snap it back. And then this goes on your visor like this, and then your car smells really good. So that is the coolest thing. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Look at everything. Look at how beautifully it's so wrapped, so beautifully. Professionally wrapped. Ooh, what is this pretty thing? Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Look at that, y'all. Let me show you that. I'm trying to look at it and not look at it. It's looks like a purse, but it's plastic. It might be a purse. This is the back side of it. Has a label on it, but it looks like pearls, and then it has these things up here that look like jewels. Isn't that beautiful? Let me open it and see. Oops. Oh, there we go. It was easy to open. It's easy to open. Oh, look at how it opens, y'all. Isn't that cute? So there's a mirror here. So it's like a, oh, she has an M. She put an M on the mirror. How cute is that? It's like a caboodle? Is that what those things were called? Just like a carry with you caboodle. Smudge is up to no good over here, y'all. This has, let me see, I've got something to cover this, the mirror. Okay, Smudge. This has a bunch of things in it. And whoopsie, there's a mirror up here, so I covered that up. There is, if you can see, on the mirror right there, it says M. There, we saw Smudge's eyeball in there. Okay, Smudge, could you calm down? So there is a pink candy cane. How cute is that? There is some Welch's fruit snacks, and she has it taped in there so it wouldn't move around. Johana really knows what she's doing. It has a Kit Kat bar. Yummy. Love Kit Kats. Oh, and it has some of the fragrance discs. I think that's what they're called for the car. So let me show you what she sent me. There is Ocean, and then this one is Mahogany Teakwood. So what you do is you peel this off, and then you stick it in that holder, and then put them in your car. Thank you so much, Johana. All right, Smudge. Please go on through. He had to go through, y'all. He had to go through. So there is this, it says, "You are amazing." YAA, and this is a body oil, it says. So that's really cool. You can see the stick has a dropper bottle in it. It's like, oh, and there's some gold in there. It was laying down on its side, but there's some little gold flecks in there. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that's so cool. Or maybe it's, yeah, it looks like gold. Gold flecks in there that are moving around now. That is so pretty. Thank you, Johana. And there is a Grace and Stella eye mask. Love that. And the Spa Scriptions Cucumber. These are very nice also. These are more like fabric, where this is more of a gel. This is a gel style. Ooh, there is an Avatara. I've had these before. These are very nice also. Papaya Hydrogel eye masks. So Johana knows I love the eye masks. And Wander Beauty. This is one of my favorites. Thank you, Johana. This is so pretty and so sweet. I just love this. And there's more, y'all. There's more. Move that out of the way. Smudge moved so we can... Oh, there's a card. Okay, I did not see the card. Oh, it says, Happy Birthday and Merry Christmas, Mary. Oh, thank you, Johana. That's so pretty. Okay, and then there's a beautiful butterfly. This is like Johana's trademark is a butterfly. She puts that on a lot of things. And this card is adorable. It says, Merry Christmas. It says, Happy Birthday. May guardian angels watch over you today and always, beautiful friend. God bless you. Oh, Johana, thank you. And then it says, Happy Holidays. May all your dreams come true during this holiday season and your heart be filled with love, happiness, and gratitude. Be safe, Johana. That is so beautiful. And she has some stickers. She used these pans that have glitter in them. I don't know that you'll be able to see that, but this is birthday up here and this is Christmas down here. I don't think it'll show up but look at how beautiful her handwriting is. I just want to tell y'all, Johana, I don't think she sleeps because she is so busy. She's just the busiest person. And I don't know how she gets stuff done. I really don't. But she does. Then she takes time to wrap a beautiful present. Look at how beautiful she wrapped this like an envelope. And that says Merry Christmas right there. This tissue is so neat. It's like real fine quality, very soft tissue. I love it. Oh, and there's more beautiful things in here. Oh my goodness. Some nice ASMR going on there. There is a red wine. It's called I'm Red Wine toning mask. This is the Pore Care. This is a very, very nice mask. The toning moly masks are great. They're thin, they're thinner, so they just stay on you better. They're really, really nice. And then there's some other, this is fun. This is called Fold Made Insta Office. Fold Made is the brand. Insta Office, peel and stick. Let me show you that and then I'll read you what's in there. There's a flag set down here. I use these flags all the time. There is an adhesive. Oh, is that cool? That looks like this. This is like a little glue package or something. And there's a stapler and a scissor. Oh, a scissor. A 1X scissor and a writing utensil. So let's see what that, I want to see this stuff. This opens nicely. This is kind of, that you can reseal. This is the scissor here. It looks like a marker. It's on there with, it's on there with Velcro. How cool is that? But look at that, y'all. Is that not the coolest thing? Oh my goodness, isn't that adorable? This is the top, okay? And it's a little scissor. That's great to have in the car or something for emergency or whatever. That is so cool. And then it has this little thing that can hold the blades tight. And then this just goes back on it. So it looks like a marker, but it's a scissor. That is the coolest thing, Johana. Thank you. And it all fits on the card with Velcro. So there's that cute little stapler. And this is adorable. It's like a roller, but it's like glue or something in there. That is cool. Thank you, Johana. That is, I've not seen that before. That's really cool. And then she sent me this, and this looks like a journal of some sort. I'm going to open it and we'll see. It says medium spiral journal. Only my cat understands me. Let's open that up and see that. I love stationery products. I love stationery and stationery products. So this is really cool. Oops, there's some fuzz on it here. So this is, oh, this is so cute. It's nice and big, nice and thick, and then when you open it up, the inside has paws all on it, and then it's lined paper. A lot of lined paper, so I will be using this almost right away. I have others that I'm using now, but I'm getting close to the end on some of them. So this will come in handy for sure. Thank you so much, Johana. This is so sweet and kind of you. You're so thoughtful, and I love you. And like I said, y'all, look for our mystery bundle battle coming up in January. And I got this beautiful book and all this fun stationery stuff for my desk. And this I love too for the car. This is so nice for the car. And again, there's a few of the things that go in there and some snacks and some eye masks, which I'll be using those very shortly. And this oil, this body oil that has the gold in it, y'all. It's so cool. So thank you so much, Johana. I love it. I love it so much. Thank you. And y'all, thanks for stopping by to see my friend mail. And I hope that you're enjoying this weekend, and I hope that you're enjoying the holiday. And I hope that you're off of work. I know there's people that have to work, and I thank you. The people that have to work, I thank you for working and keeping us running, you know, like the cities and the hospitals and the police and all that kind of stuff. So thank you so much for being there. And love y'all and count your blessings. Bye-bye.